Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can download and install the Instagram on your PC or the laptop, whatever you are using. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open our Windows device, and after that, we have to click on the window button, and then we have to click on this Microsoft Store app. We have to open this, and after opening this, as you can see, you will get the interface like this. Now simply we have to click on this, and we have to search for the Instagram here. So I'm going to search for the Instagram. So let's click on this, and then we have to press the enter, and after pressing the enter, as you can see, you will get the suggestions of the Instagram, and then we have to choose that which one we want, and then we have to click on that. So as you can see, now the Instagram is here. Now simply we have to click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, you will get the get or the install button here. So we have to click on the get, and after clicking on the get, the Instagram app will be downloaded, and then you will be able to use this. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can download the Instagram on your PC. So see you in the next video.